Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different from the usual video. I went on itch.io, saw a couple cool games I wanted to try out, and thought maybe this would be a good opportunity to make a video. Or give you guys a chance to hear how I normally talk. Today we have The Dog by Ship Captain Studios. Some middle-aged man has a normal life, house, family, and as everyone, some secrets. But not all secrets can be hidden forever. So, let's uncover some secrets and check out this man and see what his life is like. Alright, let's begin. So, a new game? Yes. I do have headphones. The Dog by Ship Captain Studios. How's my family? Have breakfast with the family. My wife, my son, my daughter, and the biggest pancakes that I've ever seen. Like this is like a 12, like what? Like it's like a 9-inch dinner plate, and like this is like to take up the entire damn plate. Like oh my god, this is like the biggest pancakes ever. And they're thick too. This is a scrumptious meal. Wait, why am I having pancakes and my kid is having cereal, a piece of toast with butter on it, and toast with an egg? Actually, that doesn't even look like toast. Like that piece of bread does not look toasted. That's just raw bread and an egg. Okay. Wait, why are we all having orange juice? Like, you already have a liquid with your cereal. You know what? This is not question. Delicious. Daddy, who is that? Dory, pal. It's just our dog. Can I have my pancake? I'm not done eating. No one else have anything to say? Okay, I get up. Ooh, this is a nice house. Oh, dog. The dog can wait. Yeah, nice living room. I'm getting fat shamed. That's good to see. What is this, outside? Nope. Come down the dog. I can do it in a second. I'm taking a look. Oh, it's a pretty house. And damn, I'm tall. I'm like 6'4". Like, geez, I'm like real tall. Oh, these are short doors, but I'm real tall. Okay, go upstairs. Will you allow me to do that? Oh, just like a fully fledged like house. Okay, okay. Nice artwork. Some Ming Dynasty artwork. Love to see it. Love to see it. What is this from? Cottage on a lakefront. That's beautiful artwork. Alright, what does this dog want? Japanese style artwork. Hey! Shut up! Good. Y'all okay? Y'all good? I have finished having breakfast. Ooh, I can like check in the fridge? What's in there? New... That's supposed to be... New It Glow. That's what it is. New It Glow. And Veep. Nice. Let's have dinner with the family. 12:35 p.m. So like lunchtime. Oh, crime news, missing people. Oh, I got a visitor. Yes? Sir, we're investigating a recent fire at the grocery store. Just asking the neighbors if they. Just asking the neighbors if they. Oh, just asking the neighbors if anyone saw anything. No, we usually stop at the mall. We usually shop at the mall. Oh, that's just our dog. Yeah. Right. Sorry for the disturbance. Sorry I couldn't be more of help. Sorry I couldn't be more help, officer. Sorry guys, I can't read. Never learned that in school. "8:08 p.m. Do we... Darling, can you take a look at the TV? I think it doesn't work. Sure, darling. Do we just leave this dog locked up all day? No matter... Makes sense why this dog is, like, pissed. Fix TV, instruments in bedroom. I'm assuming that the bedroom's upstairs. Ooh, these doors are open now. What's the artwork? Nothing. Got some multicolored wood, or multi-shaded wood furniture. Nice. A nightstand that has no drawers or cabinets. Nothing. Okay, I keep my tools in my closet and not in my garage. I'm probably gonna want that too. Because it would be kind of surprising for such a big house like this to not have a garage. Like that would be a perfect spot to put a garage, or maybe like have one like outside in like a little shed or something. Popeye for president. I vote for him. Daddy, you're the best. Yay, cartoons! Is that copyrighted? I guess not. Probably. Popeye Sailor Man is probably in public domain. I mean, I don't even blame. Oh my god! Awakened by noise. Everything's okay, dear. I'll handle it. Oh my god, why did she turn her neck like that? Oh, good. Take the bat. Alright, I'll calm this motherfucker down. Hold on. Can I make sure my kids are okay? Okay, no. Oh, it stopped. It stopped. I'm not playing with you, Fido. I will really rock your shit. Oh, the dog's not even here anymore. Check the whole house. Alright, so the dog had a laptop, a TV, a vacuum, a washing machine, and barrels, and cans of food. So clearly it's not like a normal dog. They got me. Oh, he knocked me out? Huh? What? What the fuck? I need a weapon. I've been knocked unconscious and looted. I'm defenseless now. Pick up the beer bottle. Hello? Try door handle. Nope. Push door. Knock. Anyone answering? Instinct chatter. Hey Billy, is that you? Kate? Honey? None. Don't worry, pal. It's just our dog. Wait, who said that? Oh. stuck down here? I'm the dog? No! It can't be! No! No! Okay. Oh my god, it's a lot of subtitles. Or subtitles, a lot of credits, my mistake. Open Sans? Roboto? Okay, you're crediting the fonts? Like, you credited like every single aspect to use. I mean, respect to it. Like, give credit where credit is due, but like, that was a lot of credits. Well, that was the dog. Check it out on itch.io. I'll probably leave a link to it in the description. And that was fun. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day, y'all. Goodbye.